Faye, and happy Thursday. Happy New Year. Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back. Okay, so today I have several projects. This one is coming from several students. So Mia, Levi, Aaliyah, Violet, our pre, and this is a thank you to veterans. So if I hold it up, it may come apart, but it's a monument that they constructed. There's tinfoil, paper plates, tape, construction paper, because we're starting to now work on our Valentine's for Vets at lunchtime. And so they've also created a little thank you to veterans themselves. And then Nathan and Gabriel also started working on a new design for an airplane, again using paper plates. Okay. All right, moving on. We have Iris, Iman, Claire, who have created the Mighty Mind mystery bag. And so, again, just using the typical things that you see around the house or here and making something else out of it. And that's how inventions happen. You take things that we already have and think about how to make them better or how to make them differently. Yeah. All right. Now, some other students in the news. This is by Ayan. I love this, especially for today, which is when we come back for the new year. So this is about your brain. And the reason I picked this one for today is because we're starting a new year. Perfect day to start thinking about how to get smart. But we have neurons, the little things in our tiny, tiny, tiny little things called neurons, Neuron, in our brain. And the neurons come together when we learn something, and that's how we remember things. So, this is what your brain looks like. And like I said, inside, there are lots and lots of little neurons just waiting to learn something new. So let's try that in the new year. And then finally, today we have some math. This is Dividing Decimals by Gigi on our own time. Now, when you get into 5th grade, or if you're in there now, you know dividing decimals, that is an advanced skill, and Gigi is practicing it on her own. Nice work. All right, moving on to our mystery number and Wordle. So we have a very short week. So I'm making this one very short because we only have one day to figure it out. But I think you can do it. All right. So here it is. It's only 4 letters. Okay. And if I take off the first letter, I have a completely different word. All right. And the first letter is the letter that can be a vowel or a consonant. Okay. I think you can figure this out. This could be a separate word that has no meaning connected to this if I add this letter on. Okay. And then our mystery number is connected to, of course, the same thing. It's 4 digits. But again, I think we can figure this out. All right. So here it is. Here's our 4 digits. Oops. So we have thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Okay. So now listen carefully. I'm going to give 2 clues on this. All right. This number is an even number. There are 4 digits, so the last digit is going to make this even. Okay, so now we know we're in 2025, right? All right, so here's your clue, minus 75. Minus 75. And to those who have not learned double-digit subtraction, listen carefully to this clue. All right. My first digit is odd, and it's a homonym. My first digit is odd, and it's a homonym. Then I have two more numbers that are odd right next to, in order, my first digit. These two digits have a silent E. They have a silent E. And my digit in the hundreds place is greater than my digit in the tens place. That's it. Now it's time for our mighty kind moment of the day. Let's get our drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So the mighty kind moment of the day is, oh, I just lost it. There it is. Love McVeigh. Yep, so in the new year, that's what we're going to do. Love McVeigh and all of our friends here. And of course, boys and girls, every day is a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.